Welcome to TinkerSpace. Today let's make smart bed height control. Here we have used two IR proximity sensors, one servo motor and TinkerSpace Brain Board, two connecting wires and power supply. Let's connect the components. Here we have connected two IR proximity sensors to input 1 and input 2. And here we have connected one servo motor to output 1. We're done connecting the components. Now let's do the coding.
Now let's do the coding. Open the TinkerSpace app. Now choose your Tinker board. I will select Brain Board. Now click on Create New Project and type your project name. After typing your project name, click on Save New Project. Here, the design space has been opened. Now, as per the hardware connection, I will add the input and output devices. Here I added IR proximity sensor as input 1 and input 2. And in output 1, I added servo motor. Now go to the menu and click on Save. The generated design has been saved successfully. Now go to the menu and click on Go to Code Space. The code space has been opened. Now click on Add or Edit Input Condition. Select Hardware Input Condition. Now let's combine both input cases with AND logic. Now click on Select this condition. In the input 1 sensor on and input 2 sensor off, in servo motor, I will select increment and the degree I will set in 80 degree. Now click on Save Settings. In input 1 sensor off and input 2 sensor on, in servo motor, I will select decrement and I will keep the angle in 0 degree. Now click on Save Settings. In the sensor based bed height control project, we have two IR proximity sensors. Here, in the input 1 sensor on means the first IR proximity sensor is detecting the presence of an object, and input 2 sensor off means the second IR proximity sensor is not detecting the presence of an object. In the third condition, in the input 1 sensor off means the first IR proximity sensor is not detecting the presence of an object, and in input 2 sensor on means the second IR proximity sensor is detecting the presence of an object, and the object over here is our hand. So when we put our hand in the first IR proximity sensor, then the height of the bed will slowly increase till 80 degree. So we put the condition of increment 80 degree. So till 80 degree, the height of the bed will increase. And when we put our hand in the second IR proximity sensor, it will decrement till 0 degree. So the height of the bed will decrease. So it will slowly decrement till 0%, means the level. So when we put our hand in the first IR proximity sensor, the height of the bed increases, and when we put our hand in the second IR proximity sensor, the height of the bed decreases. So like this, the sensor based bed height control project's code works. After the code is done, click on Save Code. Now the generated code has been saved successfully. Now go to the menu and click on Upload Code. Here you have two options. First one, USB upload. Second one, Wi-Fi upload. Now enter your device ID. Now I will enter my device ID. My device ID is TinkerSpace. So now I will enter my device ID. My device ID I have entered. Now I will click on Wi-Fi upload. To upload the code, follow these 3 steps. Step number 1. Turn on mobile hotspot. So set your hotspot name to tinkerspace.in and the password is tinkers123. Step number 2. Click on flash or code switch of your Tinker board about 4 to 5 seconds and your board will be automatically connected to this hotspot. Now step number 3. Click on Search My Device button. Now your device is searching. and the device is connected. Now click on Upload Code. Now the generated code is going to the server and now it is uploading to the TinkerSpace Brain Board. The generated code has been successfully uploaded to the TinkerSpace Brain Board. Here we finished our coding part. Now let's do the hardware part.
Coding is done. Now let's test the project. We have tested the project. Now let's implement it in the model. Here we have finished the model of our project. Here we have used 2 IR proximity sensors and 1 servo motor. When we keep our hand on the first IR proximity sensor, the bed height will increase. Whereas, when we will keep our hand on the second IR proximity sensor, the bed height will decrease. Now let's do a demo. Now I kept my hand on the first IR sensor and the bed height is increasing. And now when I keep my hand on the second IR proximity sensor, the bed height is decreasing.
Hope you enjoyed this project. Download our TinkerSpace app where you can find more model ideas suitable for this project. Do you like gifts? We have some giveaways waiting for you. Just follow the next steps to claim your Tinker gift. Open TinkerSpace app and create this project code as per the tutorial. Then share this code to me by clicking the button Share to Teacher. Here you have to enter your name, school, class, phone number and click Send. We will go through code of each student and we will pick 25 students per month who will receive our giveaway TinkerSpace project. Why waiting? Do this project code and grab your kit for free. Thank you and stay connected with us.